Special greeting to my listeners and viewers. This is the voice of Comrade Gospel once again. Today, I will be guiding us on this video on how to create a project. One of the ways to earn from Sidra is through referral. Apart from mining, it's through referral, then through liquidity. Those are the two places. Then the other one is a node. And the node is not for everyone, it's for only those who have a laptop to activate it. Now, another way to earn from Sidra is through a project. Now, there is a circulation going on about a Sidra mall in Nigeria. It is possible that Sidra mall is a project that was funded with up to $10,000 at the initial stage. Now, let's go forward. What is a project? A project is something, it's either an investment or something you decide to carry out that involves money. In Sidra, you can carry out a project with as high as $10,000 funding, then as low as $5,000 funding. And if the project do make sense, the core team may decide to fund it all, pick it up and publicize it, or fund part of it to make sure the project succeed. So one thing is creating a project, another thing is creating an attractive project. Now, I will be guiding us today on how to create a project and how you can inject your Sidra in to earn liquidity bonus. On those projects, you can only earn by injecting Sidra as liquidity. As well, people can also contribute to those projects by putting in some Sidra for you. They can just say, okay, let me give him 10 Sidra, just like an NGO. Let me give him 20 Sidra. The project is good so that the project can go far. All those kind of things. You understand? So, in this project, you can earn as well by injecting your Sidra as liquidity, and you will earn back in Sidra. You are not injecting another token. Now, I will guide us through step by step. But before then, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that when anytime an educative video is dropped, you will be the first person to be informed. Now, people are asking me that how do I subscribe? Because when we say subscribe, not everybody is familiar with this industry. They think it's either like a Go TV subscription, DSTV, all of that, maybe airtime, data. So it requires money. No, it doesn't require money. Let me show you how to subscribe. It's very simple. Just tap on the link, go to my YouTube channel. You will see the subscription button there. It will appear there. Now, once you enter my channel, you will see it there. Look at the subscription button there. All you have to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, you are done with your subscription. You are not making any payment. It's not taking you to any site, to anywhere. No. Once you click on it, you can see that it's on black. Once you click on it, it's going to show like this, subscribed. That means you are already done with the subscribe. Then that little bell there, you can decide to click on that bell. Anytime a video is dropped, you'll be notified without even entering the channel, without even needing the link. The essence of you subscribing is for the video to be recommended, so that anytime you want the video, you don't have the link, you can just search it and you will get it. But if it doesn't meet up with a subscribing target, you might not have it unless you have the link to access it or you have the notification. Now let us go to work properly. Remember to subscribe. Now let us go properly now. On this note, once you open your Sidra, this is how it's going to show you, right? So all you have to do is to scroll up. When you scroll up, you see what is done. When you scroll down, you see what is up, right? So let's scroll up and see what is done. Now, once you scroll up, there are many features here: wallet, swap, pool, position, idea, chart, ledger token, and stats. We are going to be looking into all of them gradually, but not today. For the sake of this video, I will be teaching us only on how to create a project. But creating of token, like the other ones you saw on the Sidra app, will be on any of my other video. Now, on this page, we will be looking at this Sidra start. Look at it here. You see forum, you see follow, that is X, you see Sidra start, and you see support. Now, I'm not looking at all those ones that are circled with green. I'm looking at the last option here. Now, on this forum, let me just explain something. This is a chat room. Sidra has an internal chat room. where you can chat, lay your complaint. It's not only on outside social media, you can see it. This is a chat room where people do chat as well. All right, all categories of chat are here. Once I sign in, I can start chatting, laying all of that. Now that is the aspect of the forum. I'm not going there though, I just want to show you something. Now the aspect of a follow, that is following them on Twitter. Now we have the aspect of support, where you can lay your complaint. And in case you have issue with your Sidra account, you put your name, your email, what you the issue is, and all of that. You submit to them, and that is where you can lay your complaint to them directly from the app. Now, what I will be looking at today is Sidra Start. Sidra Start is where you can create a project, and I will be showing us some projects there, many of them. Now, let us get started. All you have to do is to click on this Sidra Start. Sidra Start. Once you tap on this Sidra Start, let's see what it takes. Now you can see too many projects here, many projects, many projects. You can see them, you can see many projects. All right, okay. Once you click on it, I have already logged in, but in case you click on it and you are not logged in, you are going to see three line up, right, up, right. This three dot you are seeing, you know that is not the dot, no. I'm talking about three line upright, upright. You will see it at the ending. Once you click on that three line, you will see login. Just tap that login. You will be automatically login. They will connect you to your Sidra account and you will log in. I am already logged in. That is why it is so. Now look at projects like this project now, reviving sustainable farming practices. The person injected 10,000 dollar for the project building, and I'm going to tell you the stages involved. Look at this one, Helink Network, 10,000. Saudu Green Logistic, 10,000. You can see them. Pure Hela Global Network, 10,000. All of them 10,000. The maximum is 10,000. The minimum can be below, but usually it's look at this one, 9,000. All right, 10,000. 10,000 are many, but 9,000 are few. Look at this one, 9,000. All right, let us not review this one first. Let us keep scrolling. So you can see that there are a lot of projects, and the reason why they are showing you mostly from Nigeria is because your account is Nigeria. All right. So when you are creating your project, they will ask you your country. Don't change country, because if you do, you are doing it at your own risk. Now look at these many projects, and you can see that people added some Sidra. People like this one now. How do we call it? Paynix. You can see that 10,000. Two people are participating. Look at this one now. Nobody is participating. Look at this one now. Powering online. One person is participating. Look at this one now. Qatar industry. 8 persons participating. Look at this one now, blockchain base, nobody's participating. Now when you are done with your project, they are going to give you a link. You can send the link to your friends, your family. Please help follow my project, like, comment, if possible inject your liquidity you are going to have again. Now let me show us something. Now look at this person now, this Qatar industry. 8 person participate, all right, and 4.7 Sidra has been placed in, and the person is earning. You can only inject Sidra here. If it in case of other liquidity, you can inject other tokens, but on here you only inject Sidra. You understand? So once you inject Sidra, you will earn more, and people can also gift you from here as well as part of the project. That is why I told you the project is very high. Now imagine a project of 10,000 USD, and some people are saying the price is 1 USD. I keep on laughing them. Like what I said, I don't give price, I don't give date. Now let us just click on any project and see what this $10,000 is for, and the procedures of the project. Okay, let me just say, let's click on this one. Let's click on this one and see what it has for us. Let's click on this one. Okay, now this is the project. 4.72 Sidra was contributed by many people. All right, now your project should be between some certain stuff. Your project must not pass that. There are some criteria your project will go through, of which I will be showing you shortly. All right, now let me show you something from here. Let me show you something from here, because now when you are doing your project has a circle it revolves around. For example, you cannot create a project on crisis. You cannot create a project on religion. You cannot create a project on tradition. There is a limit to what you create. Your project must either fall on technology, look at technology there, or maybe education, or maybe e-commerce, that is business, or maybe agriculture, or maybe social impact. These are the five area your project must fall into. So if your project is outside this, you are not ready to create the project. Alright. Now you can combine two. Maybe your project can serve the purpose of technology and education. Anyone combine two or three at your own choice. Alright. So those are the levels of project you will have to create. Now let us the one I was looking for is, okay, let me just use this one. Hellenic global stuff. Let us just look into it and see the processes. Now like this one now, 52 studio has been contributed. Now on your project, you are going to give a description of your project, what your project is all about. Like this one now, Hellenic Global Network. Look at the description there. Let me just read a little. It's an innovative online platform designed to connect Muslims across Nigeria and Hela products and services. Our goal is to create a comprehensive marketplace where users can shop with confidence, knowing that all the offerings are there to Islamic principles. We aim at providing an all-encompassing experience that not only facilitate online shopping but also foster the community engagement and support for halal business with an easy to use interface, securing the payment method, and a commitment to ethical practices and all of that. Now this is the main reason for you creating the project. Now what is the problem? The problem, many Muslims in Nigeria struggle to find the halal product and services meet their ethical and religious standard. Existing platform lack necessity, clarification and transparency, leading to concern about the compliance of product and all of that. Now I told you, you don't create a project based on religion. All right, you don't create a project based on religion. Now this project is not based on religion. This project is not based on religion. All right, this project rather it is different. It's trying, this project is on product, that is e-commerce. But now it's telling you my product is limited to mostly my Muslim brothers. All right. So it is not a religion project. It is a project that is limited to people. I'm telling you the truth. It's just like you creating a project to advertise your umbrella. You know that you will make more sale during the rainy season more than the dry season, because on the dry season umbrella is not that much needed. You understand what I'm trying to say, right? And so that is how exactly what this lady is doing on this place. Now, this is the problem. The first one, we said description. What is the project all about? Number two, the problem that the project is about to solve. Now, as well, the potential risk. In every business there is a risk or good. Then unique value and proposition. What is this project? Why is this one different from other project? Why is it unique? Now you may be working as accountant, I may be working as accountant, the same department, the same level, everything, but there is something that will make them to give me more work or trust me more than you. Unique. There is something that is unique. People say the me in me is different from the you in you, or yes, the you in you. All right. No matter how the same we are, there is something that differentiates us. That is the unique value and the proposition. So the uniqueness can be in you, it can also be in your product, it can also be in your market strategies. Now this is the milestone, the platform and all of that. Now I want to show us something. All right, I want to show us something. You can see this stage that is here. All right, let me show us something here. Okay. Now the project will pass through different stages. It all depends on how you categorize it and the value you place on it. Now the first stage is the problem platform development. Some people will say the research. It depends on how you title it. But when creating a project, they're going to give you some boxes. You are going to fill it and you are going to title it as this first stage is all about research. Oh. It's all about platform development. Oh. It's all about this. So you are the one that will title it. So you have to have an idea of what you are doing before you proceed. Please, this video will be long a little. Bear with me. And now this person is saying his first issue is platform development. That's the first stage. Developing the platform, just like Pi, the first stage is developing the app on Google Play Store to download. Now the second stage is vendor onboarding, that is bringing in business partners or business moguls. The third one is community engagement, that is making it known to the community. Then number four is the testnet. And each stage you can see that they budgeted an amount for all the stages, like the platform development 1.5 USD, vendor onboarding 1.5 USD, community engagement 2 USD, 2000 USD. Then the other one is 2.5. I mean, when I say 1.5, I mean 1500. Launch testnet. Then this one post launch growth, you can see. So everything together will give you this value of the total budget of 10,000 USD. You can see it. People who contributed there about 60.5. Now that is how it work. Now let us look at some project again. This one now, we said their first step is platform development. Let us take a look at other project and see. uh let us compare and see how it works. Okay, let us just take this one, transforming online business. Okay, problem solving, unique and all of that. Okay, this one is a platform development. That is the first stage. The second one is con creation. The third stage is market launch. The other one is user engagement. The other one is evaluation and scaling. So during the process of you filling it, the core team will give you the chance for you to list your stage and give it a title. All right. Now on that place, there is a way he schedule his price. You can see it 2000, 215, 2000. So it all depends on you. They will give you the choice. You know what? That is why you need to plan ahead. The total is the same 10,000. So the maximum of 10,000, the minimum of 9,000. Now, people who have contributed, look at it here. The CEO, one person. They can add many CEO. All right. Yes, many overseer. You can just the way you can make many people an admin when you create a WhatsApp group. Now, these are some of the stuff people who are interested. You can see it. You can see it. Now let us go to one some certain things. Now your overall assignment, why are you doing this? The overall assignment, look at it. Project demonstrates strong alignment with Islamic value and all of that, la la, but everybody with their own. Now violation, they will tell you when you didn't comply with them, then it can result to violation. Then risk of content that could contain elements, you see them. Then recommendation, what did you recommend? Establish clear, transparent, all of that. So you know what I'm saying. You can see them. You can see them. The more you are creating it, the more they are scoring you. Now with what the person did, he has 88 over 100 on the opportunity score, and he has 85 over 100 on the market opportunity, and all of that breakdown of point, funding require, you understand, everything is there. All right. You can see the Sidra team will rate it. This project has been created, that is why it is like this. Alright. Now this is one of the project. Now let us see another project. Let us see another project. I know I'm running around all these projects so that it can be easier for you. Let me just scroll and look for a project. Okay. Let me this Cristiano Ronaldo Foundation Dream Global. Let me just see it there. Cristiano Ronaldo Foundation Dream Global. Okay. Okay, you can see it here. The first one is feedback and this thing. The second one is marketing, user acquisition, mentorship program, content curation, platform development, and all of that. You can see everybody with their own. Now, project varies like what I said. This place is not only for Nigeria project, like this one now is showing reviving sustainable farming, the Nigeria. The second one Nigeria. The third one is Saudi Arabia. Nigeria, my country. Burkina Faso. You can see Burkina Faso there. Okay, you can see United Arab Nation there. You can see Niger there. You can see Portuguese there. You can see many other countries that are there as well. Not only Nigeria, but Nigeria is mostly common because they will show you more of your country than other country. All right. So that is how it works. So you create your project. If you can't finish it where you stop, you continue. All right. the essence of this place, let me show you something. You can see my project. If you click on my project, you will see your project there. Like I don't have any project now. Now draft simply means you are trying to feed the project but you've not completed everything. Now I have a pending project here on my draft innovative online learning empowerment platform. Alright. Say this project aim to create innovative online gbag. Then request simply means I have completed my project and I requested people to like or to follow it. Either I send a request or somebody send me a receive request that I like your project too. All of that. Okay, so that is how it works. Now you can see my project. I was trying to put one or two things but I haven't completed it yet. Alright, it's still on draft. It's still on draft. So this project I will leave it and let me go and create a new project. You can create as many projects as you can. Nobody is questioning you that this project you created is this, is that. No, nobody is questioning you. Now to create a project is very simple. All you have to do, you are seeing this start button, start a project. This green abi, I mean this orange abi red. You click on start a project. When you click on start a project, they will expect you to type in your project topic. What is it all about? How is the topic? Okay, let me say comrade um comrade digital um crypto I'm just trying to do something. Let me just say blockchain and let me use this and web let me see, and web 3 and point web 3.0 web 3.0 um web 3.0 class. Let me just use something like that. Alright. Now they will tell you your location. Please, the location you fill when you are doing your KYC, use that location always. Alright, this is Nigeria. Then all you have to do is to click on generate a project. Now the moment you click on that generate project, it's going to click on generating a project. After that one, they will tell you creating or generating a project. It can take up to a moment. Just allow it. During that process, AI is matching your topic with the help with what suits the topic. For example, I told you the project must revolve around the e-commerce, it must revolve around the education, something like agriculture, something like social connection, and one other one. I listed five. So the moment you put in the topic, AI will match the topic and see what matches the topic. Now I said blockchain, so definitely it should fall under education, then as well business, because the essence of it is to make money. So and AI was doing the work for me. Now when AI it was done, the process of generating, just click on that generate and hold on. Alright, just click on, in case you didn't see the process, tap generate, I watched your video, I didn't see where it was generating. Once you click on generate, just hold on, it will land you down to this place. Alright, it will land you down to this place, so you don't need to worry about that one. Now once it land you down, now look at my description. We aim to create an innovative educative platform strengthening understanding blockchain, token, Web3 technology, and Islamic compliance environment. The curriculum is designed to cater the beginner, all of that, blah, 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 blah. Now, this is the problem. This is the risk. This is the unique value. Now, this is the launch, full launch. This, this. You can see it. You can see it. You can for look at me. I'm the one that created the project. Look at my picture here. Online blockchain platform. Look at it. Now look at it. Content creation. Now look at something. Let me show you something. Look at my stage. Number one, I said full launch. Full launch is 2000 USD. plot testing 1.5, market strategies is 1.5, content creation 2.5, then platform development is 2000. You can see all of them there and their value. Now look at it. Total budget is 9500. Sidra holding 60.5. You can see it. You can see the one I just created. All right. Look at it here. Education and blockchain. Education and blockchain. You can see everything here. All right. So this is the first stage of creating a project, but you are not done yet. All right. When you see this write up, you automatically generated by AI. For me, when they were saying hold on, they are generating the project. Now if I don't like it, I can come here, click on edit. Look at edit there. Look at it. I click on edit. Now let me go back, let me show you how the edit. Look at the edit button here, edit. Look at it here. Check for it properly before you click on it. Now if you generate the project direct, they may not take you down there. All right, I pause, that is why they take me down there. Now look at it. I can decide to change this topic. Yes, by just putting my console, I will add what I want to add, remove what I want to remove. All right, but I'll do that later for the sake of this video. Now this is the description that was generated for me by AI. I can decide to add or remove. I saw something like Islamic there. Here is it. We aim to create an innovative online education platform that strengthens understanding the blockchain tokens and Web3 technology in an Islamic compliance environment. All right. If I don't like that Islamic, maybe it's religion based, I can remove it. But some people, they just leave it there. The problem, the risk, the unique value, all of that, you can see them. All these things was generated to me by the Sidra team. Now let me show you something. The project milestone. They said the project milestone, the first place, that is the official launch of the platform. They said Sidra cut in place 2000 USD. I can edit it or delete it. You can still delete or edit. I can edit it and say no, it's not fair launch. Oh. I need Apple launch, app launch. I can put anything I like there. So the essence is that the core team will, the AI will generate everything for you. All you have to do is to edit, add and remove. Now the budget, they said is 2000. I can say no, I don't like 2000. No, I like 1500. All right. I can put any amount, but let me just leave it on that 2000. I will do the editing later. Then I will save. So in everything, look at it. In every step, you can either delete everything here or you edit and change. Look at it. All right. All right, on this place now, let me just change this place to uh change the value to let me say, okay, let me leave it on market strategies. Let me just leave it like that. The value, let me just change the value to 2000 so that it will be 95. Let me just put it on 2000. I'll save it. So any work you do, you save, you can see. Now AI have already generated all these things for me. I don't want to make correction. Then I'll click on save change. All right. Sorry. Yes. If you didn't make correction, this button will not appear for you. This save change, because I make correction, that is why it is there. All right. So you can decide to use what AI generated for you, or you can decide to uh continue with that one that was there. Then I will click on save change, because I now that is the edit button. Now project submit for review and publish. That is the next step. Look at it here very well. Submit for review and publish. Let me take it up and look at it there. Edit, that is where you make correction. Submit for review and publish. You click on it. Once you click on it, they will tell you you will not be able to edit this project after publishing. Now let me do something. I have clicked on it. Let me see. Project published successfully. You can see it. The project has been published successfully. I didn't do any editing. I need to do some editing, but I didn't do any editing. All right. And there are many errors here. So the reason why I will not make it known to the people is because I don't want a situation where people will join something that is meaningless. I don't like it that way. You can see it here. It has been submitted and it has been submitted for publishing. Now let us come to my page. All right, if I click on my project now, let us see my project published. You can see it. There is a project that is published, that is this one I just did now. Then draft, I created two, one is still under draft. Then request, there is no request yet. Now let us go to publish. You see my project, how many dollar did I budgeted for it? $10,000. The one of draft, I am not done yet, it is still on zero amount. All right, then contributors, those are the people that contributed to you. So once you do that project and you publish it, it's going to join the line of other project, other project, other project. All right, including my own will be here as well. Take my own will be here. Let's see, let me search. Look at my own here. Innovative online education platform is here already. You can see it's special son. You can see it just like every other project. Now this project, the Sidra core team will go through it, though they have published it for the community to review. How many people that you share the link to and they accept it will be how many people that will make the Sidra core team to see whether your project is worth it. All right, so that is how to publish a project. And this project you publish has some importance. Now after publishing, to share it to people, what you will do is to click on this your project by clicking on either your profile picture or that your username, like special son. If you click on it, you can see this place, transparency, discussion and share. If you click on this share, let's see, you can see you can copy your link here or you can share it to WhatsApp. All right, so that is how to create your project. Now you have published it. If Sidra Cotton view it later and they find it helpful, they can um publish it, make the payment for you. Or if they didn't find it helpful, your community found it helpful, they can publish it, they can even stake their Sidra with you and earn more. All right, so every editing you are to do, it is advisable you do the editing before publishing. So if you are creating a project and you stop halfway, oh I'm tired today, I need more research, you can come back tomorrow, log in, then you click on draft. If you click on draft, you will see a draft project here. This is one I have not completed. Then you can click on the project name and you edit and you start your work. All right, the one that you've published, you can't do anything to it again. Now once you click on that first place on the from the Sidra app, that is the Sidra start, you are going to see it's going to take you down here. And once you take you down here, it's not going to give you this kind of interface. All right, my own is already logged in, so I can't log out at this moment. So what you will see is once you click on that thing, it's going to take you, are going to see all those projects. But before you start, you will see login. Anywhere you scroll, they will be telling you to log in. Now on that note, you have to look up right. I said up right, not up left. Up right of your phone. You are going to see three line, not three dots, three line. This one you are seeing here is three dots, three line. If you click on that three line, you will see here they will say login. Hit that login button and the thing will automatically roll as usual and connect you. Once it connects you, then from there you can click on start a project and continue the project you are starting. So this is how to create the project. There are a lot of benefits. People will invest in your project. Your project will be published. You can decide to go and get your own mall outside and say, this is a digital mall. Yeah, people can this is a digital mall where people can come for digital lecture and all of that. You can publish it physically. The Sidra mall you see outside there is no difference between this one and that one. They created it here and they have a lot of followers, a lot of people who like it, and they publish it out. So that is how to make projects known. God bless you. Do well to subscribe and please help me by subscribing. God bless you. In the next video, I will be teaching us on how to create your own token on the Sidra blockchain, how to reach out to the Sidra core team and all of that. Do what to create your project. After that, you can bring it physically. You know, in Sidra, in Pi you build app, but in Sidra you build a project. So this is how it works, and I will be telling us more benefits of the project in time to come. People can dash you Sidra from here, send to them, they can stake their Sidra with you, they will be safe and everything. Sidra has a lot, but I will be revealing them as time goes on. Do well to share the video, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell In case more comes out, you can see any reason to get the information. Do have a great day and have a nice day.